good to go.
Okay. Because it was so cold last time.
It's a bit warmer today,
Things were
right?
not
Yeah.
sticking very well. Okay, you got it?
Yep.
All right.
And
So,
I'm just gonna go.
see these corners?
Yeah. Or it's the bottom here.
Sure, yeah. Why not? The edge is really the edges. This art we are installing is printed on old rolls of newspaper print, like from the Times Argus, and some damaged or not first quality woodcut prints. They are a little bit, I just happen to have dropped this one in the mud a little bit, but they're very forgiving, and this wall is forgiving. So Jeff has like primed the pump. Do you want to try putting this one on?
Let's do it.
Okay, now I'm going to give you the goop. And this paper can tear. It's also exquisite disintegration. What is yours?
Disintegration. Mine's flood wreckage.
Flood wreckage, okay. That was completely wiped out by the flood all the way to there.
Yeah.
I think that's perfect. Right underneath the old painting. So we're capturing a little piece of that history of the old painting and saying flood wreckage is gone. So I just had a meeting with Peter on my way here to confirm the titling process that we were trying out here. And that's to really kind of identify these decaying pieces and some of the ideas behind the language that he was using in his broadsides to describe decay and the life of decay. So this whole wall is an example of the life of decay. Ecstatic decay.
So Peter chose all these phrases?
Peter and Jeff and myself. And then I went over them with Peter. You know, he gave me ecstatic decrepitude, ecstatic decay. You know, this series is the life of decay. And so...
Got it. I got it.
Okay, got it. Let it go. You okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay?
What do you think?
Yes, I think it's great. So this is the title of the whole wall, like the whole project. In and out, off we go, riding through the all.
Splendid corrosion.
Splendid.
It's splendid. Rust never sleeps, you know. Neither does Peter Schumann.
Woo! Freezing cold, but awesome.
So swift.
Splendid corrosion. All right, so we're ready for Art Walk in April. And we'll be doing another unfurling of a paper painting. So we'll have to find the spot for that. Maybe getting up higher. Onward.
Onward.
Okay.
Very cool.
Trash.
Ladder.
Old Susanna. In and out, off we go, riding through the all. With the exquisite disintegration of the United States nation. It's an epic collapse with a static decay. We got lavish rot, everything we got. Decadent 30 decline. The series is an example of the life of decay. And the flood record is everywhere you look. With the splendid corrosion. Thank you, Peter Schumann, for your bread and your puppets. Thank you, Elka, too.
Hello?
Santa?
Yeah, it's Miss Santa too.
And it's
Hello,
and
Peter.
it's our little elf, Jerome.
And you guys, what's up?
Wait, I've never been an elf before.
You have, now you are.
Are we, of course, interrupting everything?
No, I'm just listening to the electronic intifada, very interesting about Canadian activists who are arrested and charged and all that for protesting. Yeah, in the United States, same thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we will tell you our idea and call you back. But we are
okay.
we are working on.
No, just tell me what are you working on?
Well, we are working on the glory of decay. Murals.
Glory of Decay. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, you mean the crumbling paste ups, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
which we put up on the wall a few days ago, and which we filmed, and so we have like about 10 minutes, and we were wondering if you would like to make a commentary that we would put in at the beginning that might talk about this a little bit, and what was there before it, and
Censorship.
Yeah, I would have. Well, you mean a written commentary on paper, right?
No, you
Or what?
could just say your words of wisdom.
so we have something of a complex plan going on today to express the simplicity of the complexity of the situation in the most integrated way possible, I guess. Anyway, so this is number 7, which is the putting up of this new one.
Should we read the introduction so he sees the written?
Oh, you want to see it?
Well, I think he should
Okay.
know how it's being described.
Yeah, this is what I wrote for YouTube.
Can you read it out loud?
Bread and Puppet, In and Out, Off We Go, Riding Through the All, Part 7. This series is an example of the life of decay. P. Schumann. February 7th, 2025. Montpelier art walkers witnessed the installation of Peter Schumann's 12th, possibly, I believe it's number 12, papier-mâché appliqué mural on the wall of the former rabble-rouser building, now housing the collectively owned Access Cafe. Well, this has to be changed. Then housing.
I'll write a note.
Then, I can
It's
do it
okay.
right now. Then,
Later.
then housing, collectively owned Access Cafe. The new mural, Our Domestic Resurrection Revolution in Progress, is a replacement for the previous installation, which had been painted over in thick black paint by an unknown party who obviously objected to its pro-Palestinian/anti-war theme. Images of that mural are integrated into this film, with Alexis, River, and Kier filmed and edited by Jerome. Music, the BMP Band, intro to the whole kit and caboodle show of June 23rd, 2024. It's a nice recording. Content of this video is solely the responsible of its producers, blah, 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 for more than 100 others, and blah, blah, blah.
Good, let's take a look
Okay,
at it.
save. So then we can, then this is viewing it on YouTube.
Can you put it loud? That's still up 20 feet by 20 feet. Still mounted on the side level.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's terrific. We need to do this, yeah.
Yes.
We need to, every wall on this goddamn country here should be covered with posters against the horror of what the United States is doing in the world. Yeah?
Yes.
It's just so absolutely horrible what they are supporting. With Israel and America being the major torturers in the whole world. Unbelievable what they're doing. Yeah, they're wiping out villages in Lebanon. They're wiping out Syrian communities. They're wiping out the Gazans still. It's unbelievable what they do. It's totally everything against what they confess to be with their constitution. Their constitution doesn't allow them to do these things, and they're doing it. They're totally illegal criminals, all of them. All these Congress people are just cowards. Nothing else. Doesn't work. Doesn't work to be that way. You can't do that. They are killing kids every day. Every day, whenever I turn on the news, there's a kid killed in either Gaza or in Lebanon or on the West Bank. Unbelievable.
So now we're planning where we're going to perform the conscious joy. And we were invited to do it inside.
It's an epic collapse with a static decay. We got lavish rock, everything we got. Decadent 30 decline. The series is an example of the life of decay.